AI news, top trends, opinions, best practices, and more.
Kling AI, perhaps you have heard it already. So Kling AI is I think a Chinese version of Sora, or yes, such a text to video, also like Runway or others who has built some sort of. Kling AI but Kling AI is now available public, also in Europe and other countries. So that was the time to play around with it, and yeah, it's interesting to take a look on it because I have two examples here, and in my eyes, it shows what video creation with AI can do today. Perhaps we see better results tomorrow, but we also see the limitations. The first generated video I've done is Terminator riding on a horse trying to catch a cat. So if I play this, we can see yes, a man. I don't think it's Terminator, but a man riding on a horse. Also, the man riding on the horse looks good. So the horse has few blurry things, etc. And you can see that something which Stable Diffusion can build easily. Interesting is the cat which is in front of it, because it's some sort of cat combined with a horse in my eyes. So perhaps training data has some two horses riding behind and has information about that, and now just tries to put that on a cat on that horse or something like that. And I think that's also explains a little bit the Stable Diffusion process. It's just trying to overlay things it knows and combine things in a similar way. Also, large language models do it, so they know the words and they combine them in some way. And yeah, that's something we can see here. I think with more training data and more input, there could be better results. But at the moment, it's okay, and it's just a first try here. I've done a second video which also gets in that direction. It is the prompt is Pixar style. Star Wars Jedi like Yoda is waving lightsaber and jumping. So some stuff here. The result is a little bit annoying. So yeah, I think Kling knows what the Jedi is. Perhaps, don't know.
Yeah.
It knows what the lightsaber is, but yeah, here there's no training data or no knowledge about the topics, and yeah, that's the result at the end. So if there's nothing behind it, it seems just to generate it just like four other AI generate models here. So yeah, that's something which is really interesting. So they try to adopt things they know. Yeah, if they don't have seen the Star Wars film, and I think it's copyrighted. So,
but I would say copyright. But for the Terminator case, it did a pretty good job. Like, at least you can tell that it knows what Terminator is, right? So I don't think it's copyright. It's weird. Maybe they just got personal with Star Wars or something like that.
but also, if he knows what Terminator is, he didn't have video material of it. I think if it has really teached with the Terminator films, yeah, that would look a little bit different.
Probably. They surely know also what a cat is. So
yes. So, and yeah, it's Kling. It's not Zora, but I can assume that similar problems would appear there also. We have seen some examples there which were similar in some sort of, and yeah, to show a car driving or show some puppies playing in the snow, I think there's enough video content, video things where they trained on to make a good copy of that. But yeah, that would be more complex. So more is missing on material. But yeah, it was the same in the image generation AI part, and yeah, the models are pretty good at some point today. And yeah, I think we will see some development, evolution of video AIs. I can imagine to do great things with them.
AI News, brought to you by Promptmate.io.